What are RS-232, 422, 485 and USB 2.0, 3.0 and 2.1? These are all serial communication technologies. Before PS2 and USB came into existence, RS-232 was the widely used as a means of connection between your computer and the peripherals. Then came 422 and 485 and the interference which was there in 232. 422 and 485 because they had this coaxial cable, so the interference was less, and rather than the speed which is limited to 19.2 kbps, they have gained speed up to, for the length also of the cable has increased from 15 meter to 1.2 kilometer around. And then USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, generation 1, generation 2, they have come and they have just revolutionized every kind of connection that we see for connecting any peripherals whatsoever. So RS-232, RS-422 and RS-485. The cabling in RS-232 is single-ended. In 422 it is single-ended multi-drop, and in RS-485 it is multi-drop. The number of devices which you can connect is, one DTE with one DCE. So 1 to 1 it is. In 422 you can connect 1 with 10 receivers. 485 you can connect 1 with 32 receivers, because the communication mode is half duplex, full duplex in all of these three. The maximum distance is 50 feet for RS-232, that is 1.92 kbps. At 1.92 kbps, this 50 feet is around 15 meter, while this 4000 feet for RS-42 and 485, this is around 1.2 kilometer. Let us take it as 1 kilometer, and it can give you speed up to, if you have 15 meter cable, then the speed can go up to 1 Mbps. So they can give you speed up to 1 Mbps. So these are the things about RS-232 and variants. Now USB 3.0, when it came, when it all started with USB 1.1, then 2.0, etc. Now these are which present technology, as you see, this 3.1, 3.0, all are there. And let us see the comparison chart and we'll discuss about this more. USB 2.0, it was released in April 2000, while USB 3.0 after 8 years in November 2008, while USB 3.1 in 2014, so around 6 years after. And this USB 2.0 is considered as high speed because the speed was 480 Mbps, megabits per second, while USB 3.0, it was considered as super speed, that is 4.8 Gbps, gigabit per second. Then the USB 2.0, the signaling method is polling mechanism, so it can either send or receive data, that is half duplex it was. And USB 2.3, it follows the asynchronous mechanism, that is it can send and receive data simultaneously, that is full duplex. Price is, of course, this 3.0, 3.1, they all are of higher ranges than the USB 2.0, means earlier version. The power usage of 2.0 is around 500 milliampere, while USB uses 900 milliampere. The number of wires within the cable for USB 2.0 were 4, and for USB 3.0 they are 9. And the standard A connectors and standard B connectors, USB 2.0 normally in grey color, in 3.0 you'll find it in blue in color. USB 2.0 standard B connectors, they are smaller in size, and extra space for more wires in 3.0 is always there. The maximum cable length for USB 2.0 is 5 meter and USB 3.0 is around 3 meter. When it comes to different versions of USBs, that is your serial bus, universal serial bus. So as we said that USB 2.0, it is high speed USB and the theoretical speed is 480 Mbps. You can get practical speed up to 35 to 40 Mbps. And USB 3.0, this was super speed USB. The theoretical speed is 5 Gbps, 10 times of this 4.480 Mbps, that is around 5 Gbps. 4.8 you multiply 480, you multiply it by 10 times, make it higher, so that will be higher than what we used to get. So it is around 5 Gbps, 480 Mbps, and 10x time it is. So you can get around 300 Mbps speed. This is 5 Gbps it was actually, but then came the USB 3.1 generation 1. It was formerly known as USB 3.0 super speed this USB, but theoretical speed up to 5 Gbps again, and 300 MB per second. The power management performance was increased here, 3.1 generation 1. But when it came to 3.1 generation 2, then the next generation USB specification, super speed USB, the speed was 10 Gbps. You can get around 1.2 Gbps. So these are the variants. Let us see more about it. And the USB 1.1, it started low speed with, and full speed. Low speed was 1.5, full speed was 12 Mbps, USB 1.1, and USB 2.0 high speed 480 Mbps, USB 3.0 5 Gbps. As I said that this 5 Mbps, you can see the manifold increase in this speed. And USB 3.1 10 Gbps. This is super speed plus. So this was about RF standards and USB standards. Thank you so much.